Comes fully charged, nice. Okay, that's Luna. Just got the collar on. Okay, YouTubers, so my neighbor brought me this dog collar. I believe the name is Skasi or Skasai, I'm not sure the pronunciation, but we're just going to test it on Luna today. My neighbor doesn't have a dog, but we have a dog, so she brought it over, and we're just going to put it on her and tell you how it works. Get the trusty Milwaukee out, open it up. As you can see, it's brand new out the wrapper, out the box. Okay. Oh, it has a nice sticker on the back, so you know it's definitely tamper-proof. Okay. Now the dog collar says it's a dog training collar, built on trust, strength by bonds, training modes, remote control, waterproof, adjustable, long battery, and safety. Comes with a nice little manual, I guess explains everything. Dog training collar, user manual. Okay. That's what it looks like. Now bear with me because she just sprung this on me. I was about to cut my grass. Alright, so I'm going to let Lauren, my daughter, put the collar on the dog. It has a USB port, it's chargeable. I'm assuming this is the remote. Try not to let the wind take all the trash away. Well, okay, here's the remote. Take the film off. I'm assuming it's already charged or has some battery. Oh, look, it has a lock and unlock on the side for safety. That's nice. Oh, Lord, looks like it's a shock collar. I guess the lock and unlock's good. All right, so it does come with a charge. I don't know if you can see it with the sunlight. Let's get some battery on there. Oh, it comes fully charged. Nice. Okay. That's Luna. Just got the collar on. Okay, I think you need to push the power button on the side of the collar. Oh, it's a shock collar. She probably should have warned us of that. Lord. And, okay, so the remote cut off. Alright, and that's about it.